Hey guys! How to build your product list in a faster way. This video we will guide you how to download products list from Shopee and import into SQL. Log in Shopee Seller Center. Click on My Product. If your product have a variation, you need to insert the variation's SKU. If your product do not have any variation, you just need to make sure parent SKU is filled in. To download product list from Shopee, go to My Product. Click on Batch Tools, Mass Update. Click on Generate. Wait for the Generate complete. Click on Download. Once you downloaded the product list, you can insert the relevant information in the Excel, such as U.O.M., stock group, reference cost and reference price. Refer your service consultant to assist on the product import. Once the product import done, go to eCommerce, Shopee. Click on Product and Fetch. System will automatic mapping for the same item and SKU code in Shopee. If any product SKU is different with item code, you can still manual map the product. Once all mapping complete, click All to post. A status will be updated. That's all of this video. Thank you.